Hi guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Realme 7 Pro and I want to show you how add remove magnification to this device. To add it, open settings application. In it we must go to the additional settings selection where we must find our accessibility. Now we scroll to magnification, which is off. To turn on it, activate it by switch on. And now we must tap quickly using 3 times one finger to activate our zoom. To change position of it, use 2 finger and swipe with it on screen. You can also zoom on or zoom out using this feature. To turn off, triple touch again using 1 finger. And that's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.